Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and my garden path looks so beautiful now that I have these solar lights from Go2garden.
This is a 6-piece solar light pack from Go2garden, and they have to be literally the most gorgeous solar lights I have ever seen. They are made so well and super high quality. They have a water resistant on off switch, and they charge up so well in the light. It comes with everything you need and some directions, as well as some extra stakes in case something happens. And they just put themselves right in the ground. And look how beautiful these are. These are in a vintage copper color, and the inside is this nice bright yellow. So the light really pops, and it makes this absolutely beautiful filigree on the ground when they're lit up at night. They really are just so beautiful. I've had so many people compliment my yard. They come over, and when they leave at night, they get such a surprise when they walk out the front door to see these. I think they are just so beautiful. I can't stop staring at them. They have been living outside, making it through all kinds of weather, and they are still in perfect condition. They do stay lit up long into the night, so you will have a perfectly lit path when you come home.
I think these are the perfect addition to any home. They are absolutely breathtaking. I am so happy with them, and that is my point of view.